All right, class, so I'm going to show you just the basis of how to start your digital painting. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find an image that you like on Pixabay website and download a free version of it. The 1280 by 852 or whatever the dimensions are, around 1280 is good enough for this project. And then you're going to go ahead and download it. All right, once it downloads, it will be a JPEG, so you'll have to open it in Photoshop. Okay, so I'm just going to go to File, Open, and open that downloaded image, and then go ahead and save it. So I'm going to File, Save As, so that I can save it not as a JPEG, but as a Photoshop file with layers, and save that in my Creative Cloud files. Okay. So 7_Mulvey_digital painting. And then I'm going to go ahead and save. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is instead of start my outline on this layer of my background image, I need to add a new layer and make this my outline so that it doesn't combine with my original image. So now my background layer is locked. My outline, I can start working with my paint tool. Okay, and I'm going to grab a black color, just a small paintbrush, and I'm just going to start outlining everything that interests me in this painting. Now, notice all of these little veins in my tree. I'm not going to be able to do all of that. That can be done with a textured brush. So I'm just going to do the main forms of the tree. So if I squint my eyes and I see something, I should probably outline it if I can see it with squinty eyes. Okay, and it doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, I'm kind of clumping all of these leaves together, and that is okay. And that's how we're going to start our outline. Now, once you're fully finished with your outline, you're going to start color blocking, kind of like this one, okay? So I'm going to add a new layer and put it underneath my outline layer, and I'm going to name it color blocking. Okay, this is the second phase. So now I'm going to start color picking using that Alt key in different parts of my painting. And I can start adding in some textured brushes just for some better visual effect. So I really like these oil style brushes just because it really adds a fun kind of texture to it. And then I'm just using my Alt key every time I see like a different shade. And I'm adding in some color. Okay, again, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to fine tune it as we go. And the more you build on this painting, the better it's going to look.